In today's digital economy, consumers expect seamless online shopping experiences. What if you could improve your checkout experience, streamline your payment journey, and increase your conversion rates? Scheme, or network tokenization, is an innovative solution that enables businesses to do just that. Scheme tokenization replaces sensitive payment card details with unique tokens specific to a card network. This enhances security by preventing unauthorized access and fraud. Digital wallets such as Apple Pay and Google Pay already utilize tokenization as a technology. Here's how Scheme tokenization works. Merchants receive network tokens and expiry dates for each card on file, replacing actual card numbers with tokens for increased security. During transactions, merchants retrieve token cryptograms for customer-initiated payments. For recurring payments, only the token and its expiry are required. Merchants can benefit from Scheme tokenization in several ways. Network tokens provide comprehensive protection, significantly reducing the risk of data breaches. Through simplified authentication requirements, Scheme tokenization can lead to smoother checkouts, boosted conversion rates, and improved payment authorizations. Additionally, Scheme tokenization eliminates the need for customers to manually update their card details when their card is reissued. This seamless process boosts transaction efficiency and ensures a hassle-free checkout experience for consumers. eMerchant Pay is a leading global payment service provider and acquirer for online, mobile, in-store, and over-the-phone payments. We provide seamless integration and support for Scheme tokenization solutions, alongside a full suite of payment solutions for businesses. Get in touch today to learn how eMerchant Pay can help your business thrive in the digital economy.